portfolios, 401ks, loans, all of those can sometimes add up to sound like a foreign language.
Yeah, thankfully, though, we have an expert over here with tips to help you cash in and invest
well, thank you.
in your future.
Vanna White.
Founder and CEO of Nothing But Gold Productions and the editor-in-chief of the website Recessionista, Nicole Lapin, joins us this morning with some financial wisdom.
Yes, and you're about to debunk some financial wisdom that we've all heard over the years.
We need a Rosetta Stone these days for this foreign language, but you have to rethink some of this because we've heard it time and again, but is it true? So 401ks, for example, you hear invest in a 401k, invest in a 401k.
Yeah.
But trusting your employer with your money is trusting your employer with your money. And if you're like me, kind of type A, you're sweet as pie, but I know you deep down, you want to be aggressive. So you're probably in a stock plan. And guess what? That's linked to the stock market. So yeah, it's great these days, but sometimes you need a Valium to look at the stock market. So it's up and down. So again, trusting your employer with your money is trusting your employer with your money. And yeah, it's great to have a match, but a lot of times you're not going to get a match these days.
So what's the alternative?
Yeah, what am I supposed to do then?
Well, trust in yourself. Invest in yourself. That's going to pay dividends later on. And you know the old adage, money in your pocket is better than promises that can't be kept any day. And fees and commissions are ridiculously high these days as well.
All right, so is this a way to have more liquid cash?
Liquid cash and investing in yourself.
Myself, okay.
You have to believe in yourself.
All right.
All right, and then student loans.
It's like therapy session.
I know. Student loans, right?
The doctor is in. The financial doctor is in.
You normally want to pay them off.
Right.
They feel like
just
like this weight on your back, you know?
Well, yeah, financial experts will typically tell you now that you're making some dough, you want to invest in your big life purchases, a house, a car, and then ramp up your student loan payments, right?
Right.
Wrong. So if you ramp those up really quickly and you can't keep up with those payments, then creditors are going to be like, wait a minute, what's going on if you can't keep up with the ramped up payments? So your credit score might be hit if you can't keep up with that, if you're on a sliding scale.
So inconsistency would be a bad thing.
Exactly.
That's why you say keep it steady.
Slow and steady wins the race on this one. You have to keep in mind there are going to be unexpected occurrences in your life. God forbid you lose a job, you get a demotion, and you can't keep up with that. Well, that's really going to hurt you later on.
All right, and the third one here, don't diversify your portfolio.
Well, not necessarily. Asset allocation and diversification are kind of buzzwords that you'll hear a lot from financial experts. And all that means is you have to put your eggs in different baskets, right? Don't put all of your eggs in one stock basket. But guess what? If you put your eggs in different stock baskets and all of those baskets are duds, you don't need to be a math expert to figure out you have a bunch of duds.
Right. All right.
Right? So put your eggs in different baskets, but put your eggs in good baskets, right?
But how do we know which is a good basket and which isn't?
Well, that's the point. If you diversify more than 20 stocks, you're going to have diminishing returns right there. And even if you diversify till the cows come home, diversification is not going to make you a millionaire magically overnight anyway.
All right. The unconventional financial wisdom with Nicole Lapin.
I'm thinking lottery.
Good idea.
All right, we'll have a link to Nicole's website on our website, NBCLA.com, so look there and you can get more of these tips.
You might need an escort to get on out of here, by the way, after all that.
People are going to beat me down.
Nicole, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks, Nicole.